All right, some more music from Thomas Newman, this time American Beauty. This is the music made famous by the plastic bag scene. You can just kind of see it floating, dancing around, can't you? Those of you who were old enough to remember this film. Okay, so we're going to do the first half on here in this tutorial. And if you want to finish this off, visit our website. We can get started right away. So now the nice thing about this piece is that it's really delineated structurally. So we have very clear units, and sometimes these units repeat. So we're going to treat each of these individually, and we'll name a few of them, those that repeat. And I'll refer to them by name when later on in the piece when I say, all right, now we're going to do A again, or now we're going to do C again. So just remember the way that we learned them in the beginning, which one is A, which one is B, C, so on. And you can come back later and just map that on to later sections of the piece. All right, so let's have a look at the first unit. We're going to do this hands together right away because it's fairly straightforward. Here we go. This is the first unit. So that's 2, 5, 2. Together. That's 4 and 1 on the left, 4 in the right. Together. 3, 1 in the left, 3 in the right. With counting, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you can keep the pedal down for all of that. Moving on, we have this unit. This unit we'll call A, and it'll come back later. So there's some similarity to the first one, but it's a bit different towards the end. Again, we have 2, 5, 2. This is the same. This is the same. 4, 2, 4, 1, and 4. And this is the same. 3, 1, and 3. But now we keep going. 2, 1, and 2. 3, 1, and 1. And 5, 2, and 2. Nice and slow with counting. We get 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Moving on. Unit number 3. This time this one has no name because it only happens once. It's this. So you can see the last 3 chords I just did are pretty much exactly the same as the beginning of the piece. It's just that each of them are played together. But let's have a look at them one by one. 3-1 in the left, 2 in the right. So we have this little grace note, right? And land on the B flat when you play the E flat down here. Like that. Like that. Moving on. 5 and 1. And this is pretty much taken out from the first unit. Together. 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 So I'll play all that again with counting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Moving on to the next unit. Now this one we'll call B. We'll come back to this one as well later down the line. This is what we have. So that's 5-2 left, 2 right, 4-1 left, 1 right, 3-1 left, 3 right, 2-1 left, 2 right. With counting, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's where we'll stop. Next section we have is this one, I guess. But we'll do that later. All right, now in terms of pedaling, it's fairly hard to say. This is all very mixy. The music kind of blends very nicely, and it's supposed to sound spacious and a little bit messy. So it's hard for me to say. Now, I'm not changing the pedaling at all here, and I think it sounds fine. But if you find that your instrument is too muddy and it's too fuzzy and you want to clean it up a little bit, here's an alternative. So either you just keep the pedal down pretty much everywhere, or you can change it for every unit. That's also good. Here's an alternative if you want to clean it up. So pedal down. Change. 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 Yeah, I think that's fine. Right. Or you can just keep the pedal down everywhere or fiddle around and see what you like. And it should be good to go. All right, hopefully I'll see you guys on the website. If you want to finish it off, that's where you need to go. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, take care.